Okay, hey, this is Brian Young. I'm at the True Value convention, like I told you. Now, I was out at my workshop a couple days ago, and I was looking at my Maglite, and I'm thinking, how is Maglite competing with the LED market? Are they still in business or what? Well, you know what? I'm gonna let the salesman here at the convention tell you about the new Maglite. Unbelievable. You're gonna have to go out and buy one. I'm gonna buy myself one. So here he is right now. Okay, now what's your name?
My name is Dave Arf.
Dave, how you doing?
Good,
okay,
yourself?
so explain to us the new Maglites for the 2020.
Well, we've got a new selection of colors, not only colors, sizes, but lumen ratings, all in LED.
All LED.
Some lights like the ML50 series goes up to 611 lumens. 625 lumens, and the standard 3D.
Now, are these battery operated here?
Yes, all alkaline.
Okay, these are all battery
alkaline
operated.
batteries.
Now, tell me about the one that you were showing me.
Yeah,
This
the new
is
one. The new is the ML150LR. This is a new rechargeable light.
New rechargeable.
Although it has all of the features of our standard rechargeable. It has a new quick release cradle.
Oh my gosh! So it
Comes
just
right
pops
out.
right out.
This light, like all of our rechargeables, has a recharging ring. As
That's
long
the
as
ring.
as long as this ring makes contact on these pins, the light will charge, regardless of the position of the light.
Unbelievable.
Or how you mount it.
Oh,
so you
that's
could mount it
sweet.
under your dash.
Yeah.
Next to the car, upside down, however you want to do it, the light will charge. The unique feature about this light is now everybody's into the LED, but
Yes.
you have to have
Oh my
brightness.
gosh.
So this is 1,082 lumens.
1,082
on high.
lumens.
Maglite has a lot of requests for different size flashlights. We're only going to make so many flashlights. So
Right.
what we did was we changed the electronics inside the switch to make different flashlights out of the same one. So for example, you have high,
Oh my gosh!
1,082 lumens,
1,082.
runs for 3 hours and 15 minutes, a constant on.
3 hours and
on
15
that brightness.
minutes.
2 clicks is low.
Low.
18 hours at
18
138
hours.
lumens. And then eco mode is 3. 1, 2, 3 clicks. And you're in the eco mode. That'll run for 79
hours.
of constant on. Now the other feature to this light, like all of our
Yep.
series of lights in the ML50 and the
Yep.
ML300 and the mag chargers,
Yep.
feature 4 different programmable sets so the user can program whatever light they'd like.
4 different programmable.
So what you saw was full, low, and eco.
Yep.
But we also have an outdoor mode,
Outdoor.
law enforcement, and tactical.
Unbelievable.
The difference in this is, let's go to tactical, which
Okay.
would be set 4. All you need to do is break the seal on the tail cap.
Yep.
The electrical connection is made by the lack of anodizing on the tail cap and on the barrel, so the light won't turn on accidentally. All you do is break that seal, depress the switch and hold it in, and retighten the tail cap. In 5 seconds you'll get a flash for setting 1, 2 flashes for 2, 3 flashes for the 3rd setting, and 4 flashes for what we're going to. Now you take your hand off it, now you have momentary. Meaning as long as you have pressure on the switch, the light will stay on.
Oh,
this
yeah.
is very important for law enforcement.
Yeah,
tactical
you're right.
use. A lot of times police officers go into a room and they'll just flash it like that to get a view of the room. But
Yeah.
as long as you keep the pressure on, it stays on. 2 clicks then is full power, constant on. 3 is emergency safety strobe.
Unbelievable.
So all of that is programmed into the flashlight, and you can adjust it to whatever setting you prefer.
That's amazing. Now I noticed one thing real quick. It's all of this is made in the U.S.
All made in Ontario, California. We're the only flashlight manufacturer that's American made.
Unbelievable.
Right, all the others are imports or parts are imported
And all
from
this
overseas.
is made in the U.S.
Absolutely, we make that all at our factory in Ontario,
Unbelievable.
California.
Okay, you guys, you got to buy one of these. That is absolutely amazing. I've got to get
Available
one of these.
at True Value and other retailers around. ML150, it comes with.
Yeah, show us
It
real
comes
quick.
with the
Oh, yeah.
flashlight, the
Oh, and that's
charging-
the battery.
charging
Good
cradle,
grief.
the eco-friendly battery.
car charger,
cigarette lighter adapter, and a
and then a
household
regular
phone.
household adapter. So what does that retail for, would you say?
It's map priced at $120.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. So it's a great value.
I mean, this thing would last for just
limited
about
life,
a lifetime.
We'll repair or replace it as long as you own it.
Unbelievable. Okay, hey, this is Brian Young out at the True Value Show. This is the Maglite 150LR.
ML150LR.
ML150LR. You got to go out and buy yourself one of these. This is the ultimate in flashlights.
An American made.
An American made. I mean, if you want quality, see, that's what I'm always telling you guys about. Buying quality. And then you don't have to worry about taking it back. It's not junk, it's quality. Look at this thing.
We have
look
so
at,
much.
Look at this. I'm going to shoot it up here. Watch this.
I'll show you.
Look at this.
And then it's flood to spot focus by rotating the head.
Unbelievable.
So
a floodlight.
And then 1/8 of a turn, you're down to spot.
Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. Isn't that amazing?
And there's a lot of light.
And there's a light in here, okay?
A lot of ambient light in here.
Unbelievable. The ML150LR Maglite. Get it.
Also
Get it.
available
Buy
on our
it
website.
now. And your website
Yeah,
too.
maglite.com.
All right, this is Brian Young at True Value Convention. Thanks a lot. Have a great day and I appreciate it.
Buy American.
Yeah, buy American.